Feeling stiff or sore? You're not alone. In just 5 minutes, I'll show you how to loosen up and feel amazing, no matter how busy your day is. Whether you're starting your day, winding down, or just need a quick break, this simple stretch routine will help you release tension and get your body moving. Regular stretching isn't just about flexibility. It can help reduce stress, improve posture, and keep your body healthy. The first stretch is child's pose into cobra pose. Make sure that you do this as one fluid motion, just like I'm doing here in the video. This is a 30-second stretch. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. The next stretch is a low lunge with you raising your hands in the air. Make sure that you stretch your lats and feel that stretch in your legs as you lean forward a little bit more. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you're going to switch sides. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, you're going to stand on the mat, open up your legs a little bit more than shoulder width apart. Put your hands between your legs, touching the mat, and you want to stretch your back. And then you want to move side to side, stretching the inner part of your legs. So you want to stretch the groin area and the hamstring as you move side to side. This is a 1-minute stretch. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. You want to open up your chest, lock your hands behind your back, and lean forward. Now try lift your hands up towards your head. See how far you can go. This is going to help you open up your chest and your shoulders. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, you're going to roll your shoulders. You're going to do your best to touch your shoulders with your hands, and you're going to lean forward, and you're going to start rolling your shoulders with your elbows pointed out. So you're going to do this for 30 seconds. We need to loosen up those shoulders. Get that shoulder moving. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, we're stretching our triceps. So you're going to put one arm across your chest and pull with the opposite towards your body. So you're going to do this for 30 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you're going to switch to the other side. Five, 4, 3, 2, Next, you're going to do arm circles. With the arm circles, you're going to start with small circles and then slowly increase the size of the circles as you keep going.